If you want to disable TalkBack on a Nothing Phone 3, here's what you need to do. So before we start, you need to kind of understand how to navigate when the TalkBack is enabled. So if you use, for example, gestures for navigation, everything you do with one finger, you need to do with two fingers instead. Whether it is like swiping left and right most of the time, or like going to the home screen and so on and so forth. So for example, in order to close whatever you have opened, if you want to go to background apps, you actually need to use two fingers and perform the same gesture as you usually do, so something like this. And then in order to close something, you can just swipe up like so, with two fingers of course. If you use buttons for navigation, then you need to select the background apps button once, you need to tap on it once and then double tap in order to confirm your choice. And everything that is related to selecting, you select something by tapping once, and then in order to confirm your choice, you need to double tap. So let's go to the settings. I'm gonna use two fingers in order to swipe up to go to the app drawer, and we're gonna scroll down once again with two fingers of course, and let's find settings. Tap once on settings and then double tap. Then we're gonna scroll down with two fingers of course, find accessibility, select it once and then double tap. Tap on TalkBack once and then double tap, and then tap once on this switcher and then double tap. Tap on a turn off and double tap, and finally TalkBack is disabled, and now you can use just one finger again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.